Hello there. Today we are watching The Natural Man in his habitat. Come join me. You know, once I get out the door.
Need to take your cough medicine?
And this is the man in its natural habitat. Notice the online, the laptop, the busy working man, the big thing of coffee next to him. Completely natural. Oh, not only that, let's take a look at his huge nose. Come on, look at that, look at that. Bam!
A sexy nose.
Ew. First of all, ew. You're my dad, that's still an ew.
Well, your friends look at you.
Shh, this is a nature show, shut up. And my friends just think you smell good, okay? Let's get that out of the way. Notice the Facebooking. Let's zoom in.
He moves back.
Yep, he's checking out his friends. Isn't that awesome?
Trying to find John.
Let's see what he's watching. You know, The Natural Man? Hardball with Chris Matthews. I thought it would be ESPN. We're all wrong, fellas. I mean, folks. If anyone's... Yeah. Dad? Yeah. Zoom in. Zoom in. Gray hair. Bam.
Sexy.
No.
It's
No.
not gray, it's silver.
No. Go back to your web browsing. Go. Go. Notice that it is in a charger, because he will use this for extensive hours.
Because you burning it?
And notice the Steelers shirt. Like every man, he must love a sports team and show it to everyone else in the room, no matter what they think about it. Right? Right? That's the average man? Yeah, yeah.
He's smart, intelligent.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Your girlfriend's thinking.
Yeah, they don't. I think I'll let you know that now.
The United States Congress, they took the week off. What, they don't have anything to do? I mean, they have to have a really...
This is very uneventful, isn't it?
Dispensable workers take the day off. I'm sorry, would they say dispensable workers take the day off? Indispensable workers
And that was our nature. Yeah, it was worth a try. I'm out.
They're going.